Hello again, Sarah from One-Eyed Cat Online Marketing here, looking at the Google Ads checklist for e-commerce. Today's checklist item number 26, is asking if you are using call-out extensions. So this whole this one and the next 4 videos will all be talking about various ad extensions. So by call-out extensions, I mean they're similar to site links, but they're not clickable. So a call-out extension, you have your main body of your ad here, and your call-out extensions are these here, where it says free gift with all orders, everything in stock, 9 to 5 live chat for help, and 5-star Trustpilot rating. So what a call-out allows you to do is to highlight maybe features, benefits, highlight things about your business or about your products which you maybe haven't had time or haven't got space to put in your ad. So it's over and above what the ad is talking about. So usually it will be, as we've done with this one, it's more sort of company-wide things rather than specific to the ad itself. So where we have 9 to 5 live chat and 5-star Trustpilot rating, these are all things you don't have to keep repeating all of these. If you put all of these in your ad copy, you wouldn't be able to talk about anything else in your ad copy that's more relevant to the search terms. So this is what call-out extensions look like. And so obviously you need to make sure that you are using as many as possible in your ads. Again, improves your quality score, reduces costs, etc. And again, I've got a video that I've already recorded, which I'll link to up here, to show you how to actually create these call-outs. But if you've got any questions about these, obviously, please post them in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care now. Bye.